Sure. D.O. Ndo. My life. Mpili rough. Impilo yami funa uringe vari bazonzonda banzondayo endamai impilo yami funa uringe vari bazonzonda banzondayo endamai. When I talk about my life, people think that I'm joking, people think that I'm crazy. Kahle I'm not joking, kahle I'm not crazy. Bana yami ndringe vari impilo yami ibikhalisi. Now I believe kuthi umdali unamandla, ntwana umdali uyasithanda. Dlule entweni eziningi anzange lahle ithemba, bemamela upho ntwana anzange mphela umoya. Now I'm still alive ngale ntombo ngumdali. I never thought ukuthi ngizobajabulisa abantu, I never thought ukuthi impilo yami izoba kahle. I've been through a lot, abanengi babenzonda lapho mele ngiye esikolweni sehlathini lusinkomo. I was just a little kid but ngabe ngafunda impilo ekade mphila labo ntwana bakaze bangithanda. I tried all my best ukuthi labo babheke. I will never trust people who are not my siblings. Impilo yami funa uringe vari bazonzonda banzondayo endamai impilo yami funa uringe vari bazonzonda banzondayo endamai impilo yami funa uringe vari bazonzonda banzondayo endamai impilo yami funa uringe vari bazonzonda banzondayo endamai. Kuma drugs and alcohol I became introduced ngabangani bethi lento kimi right izoqeda inkinga zami kade imosha impilo yami. Lakhi ngibone kusaeli ukuthi lento izongiqeda ngenxa yama-drugs ungazibiza ngesikhokho. Ngenxa yabangani uzophenduka isport no matter how you feel. Avoid ama-drugs qaphela abangani bangakushiyo khali ibinzima impilo yami ntwana nzange lahle ithemba. Ntwana yabi bepretenda like yonke into i-great yabe ngiqina ngokukhuleko ngihlupheko zizophela ende futhi bendethemba zizophela.